Hey guys, welcome back to another recipe. Today I am showing you guys another great recipe for dinner. I am making lemon pepper pork chops, so juicy and moist, and it's really easy. So keep on watching if you want to see it. Be sure you are subscribed to Island Vibe Cooking. Without further ado, let's go. To begin, I am using 3 thin cut pork chops. Now I did wash them prior to this video with lime, or you can use vinegar or lime, but for this recipe I use lime or lemon if you have lemon because this is a lemon pepper recipe, okay? After I done wash them, dry them with napkins. Now I'm using some oil, just a little bit, I'll say a teaspoon of oil, just because I want my seasoning to stick onto the pork chops. So this recipe is really easy, okay? It only literally, I'll say 3 ingredients. That's if you want to use the other ones. So what I am going to add first is a little bit of salt, not too much, just a little bit. The measurement will be down below, but the salt, of course, is based on your taste. If you don't like that much salt, just don't use a lot of salt. Now I am going in with the lemon pepper seasoning. This is the brand that I'm using is Larry's. Now you do not want to use a cheap brand lemon pepper, okay? When you're making lemon pepper wings, whatever it is, just make sure you use a good brand, no great value, okay? It will not turn out tasting delicious. After I add my lemon pepper seasoning on there, I am going in with ground black pepper and a little bit of paprika. And of course, whatever you do on one side, do it for the other side, okay? I am going to flip it over, add my oil with the lemon pepper, paprika, with a little bit of salt and the ground black pepper, okay? Once you're done adding your seasoning, make sure you rub the seasoning in, okay? You want to rub it in for a good minute, just because you want that pork chops to come out tasting delicious, okay? You can let it rest for about 15 minutes, or you can cook it right away. I am going to cook mine in a pizza pan. If you're new here, you might not know pizza pan is what I cook my baked pork chops in. I am going to cook them for 25 minutes on 350, but 20 minutes on just regular baking heat. The 5 minutes is on boil, okay, just to give it some color. I'm gonna save the sauce, okay? I can use it later as a gravy, so I'm just saving it. Now I am going to put the pork chops in the oven once more on boil for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you should have yourself the most juicy, delicious lemon pepper. This recipe, like I said, it was super easy. Let me know down below if you're going to try it, because I recommend it. It was easy and it tastes amazing. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. And I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.